Hello and welcome. Let's talk about something that truly matters, your happiness and well-being. In today's fast-paced world, where stress, anxiety, and burnout have become part of daily life, we often forget the most important question: are we truly happy? At Harsh, which stands for Holistic Approaches for Resilience, Strength, and Happiness, we believe in a comprehensive and integrative approach to well-being. Each word in Harsh represents a core pillar of our philosophy. Holistic means we consider all dimensions of well-being: mental, emotional, physical, social, and financial, to ensure a balanced approach to happiness. Approaches incorporate evidence-based strategies from multiple disciplines, ensuring that well-being is accessible and practical. Resilience signifies true happiness isn't about avoiding challenges but developing the strength to overcome them. We focus on building mental and emotional resilience to navigate life's ups and downs. Strength means we help individuals harness their inner potential, empowering them with tools and techniques that lead to sustainable personal growth. Lastly, happiness indicates that at the heart of it all, our ultimate goal is to foster happiness that is meaningful, long-lasting, and deeply rooted in science and tradition. With this philosophy, we are introducing a unique happiness and well-being program designed especially for Indians, blending science, tradition, and practical wisdom to help you lead a happier, more fulfilling life. While crafted with the Indian cultural context in mind, this program is not limited to India. It can benefit individuals from other cultures as well, making happiness and resilience a universal pursuit. You might have tried motivational videos, self-help books, or even mindfulness apps. But let's be honest, most of them either feel too general or fail to bring real, lasting change. Why? Because happiness isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Our approach is different. We bring you a scientifically backed, holistic, and culturally relevant program that goes beyond generic advice. We've designed this program for you, keeping in mind the unique challenges, stressors, and cultural context of Indian life. So, what can you expect? This isn't just another lecture-based course. This is an immersive, engaging, and practical experience. It includes articles that explain concepts in simple, relatable ways, videos that bring ideas to life through stories and real-life applications, audio sessions for guided mindfulness, relaxation, and motivation, interactive exercises that help you put concepts into action, fun activities that make learning about happiness enjoyable and sustainable. And we are not stopping there. We also provide awareness materials on essential life skills like sleep management, financial well-being, stress reduction, and more. Plus, we provide information from leading experts to ensure that you get the best, most up-to-date information and techniques. Simple. You explore at your own pace, choosing what resonates with you. No rigid schedules, no complicated jargon, just practical, easy to follow insights that fit seamlessly into your daily life. And the best part? Every activity is designed to have a real impact. Because happiness isn't something we find, it's something we create. Science shows that small, intentional changes in our thoughts and habits can lead to long-term improvements in mental and emotional well-being. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, build emotional resilience, strengthen relationships, or simply feel more joyful, this program gives you the tools to make it happen. So, if you're ready to take control of your happiness and transform your life in a meaningful way, this is your chance. Join us in the Happiness and Well-being program, where science meets tradition, where learning meets fun, and where you take the first step towards a happier, healthier life. Let's begin this journey together. So let's start the path that to explore, engage, and start your journey to a better you. Because happiness isn't just a dream, it's a choice. And that choice starts now.